Is your Facebook ad account disabled? Or maybe your own Facebook ad account is permanently restricted by Facebook? In this video, I want to share with you another tip that can help you recover your disabled Facebook ad account or your Facebook restricted account. Now, before I go deeper into it, let me first of all inform you that only Facebook has the power to help you recover your disabled ad account. I've seen many people claim that they or someone they know can help you recover your restricted or disabled ad account. Well, I want you to be careful before approaching anyone because to the best of my knowledge, only Facebook can help you solve the ad account disabled issues or any issues around your Facebook account in general. That means you don't really have to send me any message asking me to help you fix your ad account issues. And of course, if you want to try out any third party, then I say good luck to you. So the method I want to share with you here, if you want to recover your Facebook ad account, is simple. I have a couple of persons used it and it worked. Now, as a Facebook advertiser, one of the things you would have noticed is that these days, Facebook seems to be banning a lot of accounts for the flimsiest of reasons. In fact, sometimes you might have even done nothing at all on your account only to be shocked by the red disabled notification. Some other times, these restrictions are done right in the middle of your active ad running. One of the reasons why this is happening is because Facebook is incorporating AI more and more into their ad system. And because a machine will always be a machine, then the incidences of ad banning is becoming more and more common, even when the banning is wrong. So, if for any reasons your ad account is currently banned, the first thing you should try out is to, of course, contact Facebook ad support. I have a couple of videos that show you how to get in touch with Facebook Live support. I'll leave some of the videos in the description below this very video. You can check them out later. But do know that you must be an active advertiser before you can access Facebook Live support. Because I've seen a couple of persons complain that they don't get to see this support, and that's because probably they are not active advertisers. So you should bear that in mind. But then, what if this is not just working, or you can't access Facebook Live support for any reasons, or maybe you can't appeal your ad ban because it's permanently restricted? Then this next step should work for you. Now, Facebook Machine Intelligence ban your ad account basically because it suspects a bad move from you. Whether it's wrong or not doesn't matter here because you have no choice. So, since we now know that most of these bans are due to machine learning and machine action, we have also found a way to retrain this Facebook AI to recover banned accounts through legitimate means. So, what I want you to do here, if you can't appeal your ban, is to leave your ad account for some time. Stop appealing. Then what I want you to do is to go back to your Facebook ad account and start engaging more. What do I mean? Go and start creating content and interact with your Facebook followers and react to their posts, send videos, react to it, and just make sure that you engage with your followers on your normal Facebook accounts. Do your best to be consistent for a while doing this. I may not be able to say specifically how long, but just keep at it. But what happens here is that as you engage, Facebook AI begin to learn again that you actually run a legitimate Facebook account, and then it begins to prioritize your account and all its assets, of which your Facebook ad account is among. Now, from some of my clients' accounts and those we have tested with, sometimes after they have remained consistent with posting engaging content for a while, Facebook themselves contact these people and begin to make inquiry about their banned ad account. If you're lucky to be in this group and Facebook contacts you, then you can simply tell them that your account was hacked and maybe the wrong actions were taken by that person, and you feel that that was the reason why your ad account was banned. But of course, you can also be plain and let them know that you did a wrong thing unknowingly, or you could even tell them that you didn't know what you did wrong before the ad account was banned. But from the result I gathered, the first answers seem to always work fast. But be rest assured that if Facebook contacts you, they will always help you fix the ad account ban in this instance, even if it was permanently restricted before now. But what if you have consistently posted content for a while and Facebook did not contact you? Then in that case, you can occasionally go back to your ad account and try out the review manually to see if it will work this time. Again, anything that makes it work here is a proof that Facebook has given you the opportunity to make an appeal. But do know that you have to really be active for a while before any of these possibilities can work for you. So, for how long should you do this before you can see results? Well, that honestly I cannot say. In fact, I know of someone that this only worked for after about a year. That's pretty long, but again, it was because this person just totally stopped looking at the banned account for a very long time, and the person did not even know that this system is going to work. So if this tip will work for you, then I don't think it's going to be that long. But make sure that you build a good amount of traction with your content before you can expect a positive result. So that's it. If you try this and it works, please come back to this video and drop your comment, because I know a lot of persons will also like to know the results. Also, if you have tried it before and if it worked or it did not work, then please leave your thoughts in the comment section. I'm sure a couple of persons will love to see it and know if they should try it out or not. But finally, I am not guaranteeing that this will always work 100% all the time. But you can give it a try and hopefully it fixes your Facebook banned account issue. But prevention, they say, is better than cure. So if you watch this particular video here, I share some powerful tips that if you keep by them religiously, Facebook will never ban or restrict your ad account ever. I highly recommend that you check it out.